Today we're making French toast. Grab yourself an egg, a little bit of milk, some vanilla. This is all to taste, so if you like more vanilla, go ahead and add you some more, girl. We're gonna whisk that all together, and we're gonna get 2 pieces of bread. And we're gonna butter our frying pan, dip our bread into our egg mixture, throw that in the frying pan, and we're gonna top with some cinnamon. Flip it over, and a little more cinnamon. And there you go. Put your maple syrup on top. You can add fresh fruit, whipped cream, or today I'm adding butter. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I do all things baking, workouts, and life. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.